We are gathering here this evening to mark the 45th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between China and Fiji. It is a date worth celebrating. We are deeply honored to have Honorable Prime Minister and Madam to grace today's event. We welcome warmly our colleagues from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for this friendly gathering. 45 years ago, the leaders of our two countries, with great political vision and courage, decided to establish diplomatic relations between China and Fiji on the basis of mutual respect and cooperation and the One China principle, opening a new chapter for bilateral relations. Since then, the political trust between our two countries has further strengthened. Practical cooperation has produced tangible results, and people-to-people and cultural exchanges have been rich and colorful.
On behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, Government and the people of Fiji, I extend to Your Excellency and Madam and the staff our heartiest congratulations as we celebrate the 45th anniversary since the establishment of our diplomatic relations. 5 years after gaining independence, we established diplomatic relations under the able and visionary leadership of Chairman Mao. We were the first Pacific Island nation to do so, and I'm happy to say that by 1976, the People's Republic of China established its embassy in Fiji. As we celebrate 45 years of friendly relations between our two countries, we must also reflect on the premise on which our strong and steadfast relations were forged. This premise is mutual respect for sovereignty and cooperation. Today, guided by President Xi Jinping's inspiring leadership, China has emerged as major catalyst for sustainable development, economic transformations, peace, security on the global stage. The recent commitment by the President at the UN General Assembly to hit peak emissions before 2030 and for carbon neutrality by 2060 is a significant step and a strong signal to the international community in the fight against climate change. This is a fight that is too familiar to us, and the Pacific is a small island developing state. Fiji has benefited greatly from our cooperation and partnership with China in various fields, including agriculture, infrastructure, defense, health, trade, investment, people-to-people exchange, sports, education, and most recently, of medical equipment and supplies to tackle COVID-19. China has helped us while you battled your own challenges at home. This is testament of your staunch commitment to Fiji and our common aspirations. China has keenly supported our development and progress, including efforts to attain our sustainable development goals. Fiji welcomes China's 5-year plan for 2021-2025, now being drafted, which may contain concrete measures to help realize climate ambitions targets. Fiji also commends China's foreign policy on the Belt and Road Initiative. That is a real game changer for global development. Reflecting on our journey, it would be remiss for me not to mention the significant contribution by our Chinese Fijian communities in our national development over the last decade. They have enriched very tapestry of our society as we stand side by side to build the multicultural and multiracial Fiji that we now witness today. Our relations have indeed endured the test of time, enriched by the reciprocal visits of our leaders and the continuous high-level visits and engagement that has strengthened our strategic partnership over the years. The mutual respect and common development is the key to win-win cooperation. You can be assured of Fiji's firm and steadfast commitment towards the One China policy. As a close, allow me to quote an old Chinese proverb: Dog doesn't cook rice. This holds to our, unquote. This holds true to our relations, and with this, I wish many more years of accomplishment, relations, and prosperity filled with inspired actions and hope for the future. Excellency and Madam, Shesheni, for hosting the Honorable Prime Minister and Madam Bainimarama and the staff of Foreign Affairs at this function. Thank you very much. Binaka Bakalibu.